Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. Again, as we do jump just above our prior balance high here, looking to see if we will get that proof of concept to possibly continue on higher here. Again, our prior resistance is here at 431. If we can continue on above 431, then in my opinion, we can gap up and possibly test our 445 level. As you guys can see here, our prior gap down would give us possible gap ups. So again, 431 will be a very key point that we do need to continue on past. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here as we are leading into Fed minutes on Wednesday. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open as early as you're going to find it here again with SDA coming in again this last Friday. A very nice spike that we had out the gate. Again, spiking up 10%, mentioning out the gate, continued on above pre-market high that we were looking for, and continued on all the way to $8.28 on the day. Again, a very nice run that we had. The Instabills room running over 25% out the gate. Go to instabills.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure, what we do not have here is a bull flag, but one thing we do have here is consolidation after a spike, and we are just below our prior close that we had, again, just below our prior close, looking to see if we can hold our prior close again at 419, looking to see if we can possibly continue on back above 420 and then continue on above our high of week, looking to see if we can possibly hold this high of week here at 421. If we can continue on above 421, then we can assume that we may be looking for a continuation. Again, in my opinion, what I would be looking for as far as a disciplined trader would be looking to see if we can possibly get any possible bearish momentum, again, with possible gaps that we can fill to the downside to retest our 10-day moving average leading into Fed minutes on Wednesday is what I would be looking for, looking to see if we can possibly get that retest, get that bullish candle structure that we are looking for. Again, as you guys can see, we did have a bounce off of our 10-day moving average. We did not have an engulfing candle. We did not have that bullish candle structure. And again, still here without a bull flag, again, still sitting on a pullback just below our prior close that we had. So again, looking to see if we can get back above our prior close that we had on our momentum candle, and then continuing on higher is a possible continuation. But again, with our rejection that we have coming up at 431, and with the larger gap up that we will have if we continue on past 431, is going to be the overall watch. So again, if we continue on past 431, we have possible gaps to the upside that we may be looking for. So again, 431 really is that stronger level that we're looking for. Again, I do like that we closed just above our prior balance high. Again, on a pullback here with our red candle. Again, red candle's opening higher, closing lower here. So again, we're closing exactly on support here, looking to see if we will possibly continue to respect our prior balance high here at 418, or if we will possibly get any possible continuation on this retest. Again, if we get a possible consolidated play where we do hold above 418 on Tuesday and Wednesday, then we could possibly continue on higher with Fed minutes. Again, we will see exactly what happens again with debt ceiling news that very much is predicating exactly where we do head short term. Leading into Fed minutes, in my opinion, will be the watch. Again, we mentioned any major news in the Instabills room that you want to be watching. As you guys can see here on the 1 hour chart, looking at our intraday perspective, closing just below our prior balance high. So again, this could be a possible bear flag that will continue on lower on the 1 hour chart, or this will possibly be a bounce back that we will see on a possible continuation again above our high that we had here for that continuation. So again, that's what we're looking for from here. We have a 420 level that we would be looking to see if we can get that retest, in my opinion, if we did continue on higher from. Again, getting that retest will be that possible entry on that bullish candle structure on a possible engulfing candle off of support that we had a rejection from. Again, making sure that we do keep that level on watch is going to be our possible support if we continue on higher. But from here, closing just below our prior balance high here, looking to see if we will possibly continue on back below our 50-day here, which would be that retest here that we had on our continuation. And again, that continuation was confirmation on that spike above our prior balance high. So again, now we're looking to see if we will possibly hold 418 to the downside, or possibly hold 420 to the upside. That is our intraday play. Now looking at our weekly chart, looking at our swing perspective, again, we have been keeping an eye on our symmetric triangle here. Again, this has been the watch here, and the reason why, as you guys can see, we came back lower. We mentioned that this is very significant, that we are very much testing not only our 10-weekly moving average, but very much bouncing off of it yesterday. And sure enough, again, we did have a spike. We did continue this morning in pre-market, now testing our prior balance, looking to see if this will be a rejection candle going into next week, or if this will possibly be that pullback, possible wick to the downside for that possible momentum candle and continuation leading into Fed minutes next Wednesday. Again, that is the weekly watch here. We do like that we are continuing to respect our 10 weekly moving average. We have been talking about our bullish momentum that we have been looking for, and sure enough, we have been getting that continuation on these bounce backs, nice pullbacks that we've been having throughout the last couple weeks. And again, since we did cross lower with our 21 and our 50, we have been selling off, now crossing back higher here. Continue to respect our 10 weekly moving average, looking to see if we will continue on with bullish momentum leading into next week. In my opinion, will be key. Leading into Fed minutes, what I would be expecting, in my opinion, is for there not to be too much added than what Powell mentioned. If we, in my opinion, we're going to have much to add, then Powell probably would have mentioned it, and Fed minutes may not have much data to add, which would be possibly neutral, and neutral could be that neutral response up to 431. So again, if we do get to 431, we will have nice short plays on that retest, in my opinion, before we do possibly even continue on into that gap up above 431. So again, making sure we are cautious leading into Fed minutes will be key, but making sure we get bullish candle structure above our prior balance will be the watch. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news that you want to be watching before market open, any volatile movers at very key levels that we mentioned in the Instabulls room, again, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys continuing to take with the market just like we had today. Very nice runners today in the Instabulls room. WKUY, a crazy speculative mover on SpaceX news that we had today. Again, just continue to take with market just like we have been, bulls. Staying blessed. Hope you guys do have a blessed weekend. Looking forward to going at it next week. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.